Hi, my name is Suneet Singh. I head the marketing for Whiteland Corporation, and we are here today at Westin Residences Gurugram, the marquee project.
Hello, I'm Monica Chawla, the creative director at Essentia, and today you are with me at the Whiteland Sales Gallery for the Westin Residences in Gurgaon.
I really want to start with congratulating you on the doctorate.
Thank you. Oh, you know,
So this is Dr. Monica Chawla. Nice, Lalit.
Yes, yeah, absolutely.
So that is the big one.
Laureate in design and architecture.
Awesome.
My God. That's
Because
good.
I'm going to have a good time with this candid conversation today.
Oh, thank you,
And we're
yes.
calling it Beyond Insights.
Oh.
So that's how it's going across.
Don't spill too many beans, okay? And too many secrets nahi bahar aani chahiye.
100%. So this is the beginning, and let's start with that. So
Absolutely.
I will really love the gallery that has been made, and we're going to
thank
talk
you.
about that too, right?
Yes.
You from a design perspective, you from the actual, from initially first phase to the last, right?
Yeah.
So Monica, I just want to know, you've worked with Whiteland earlier.
Yeah.
You've done the corporate office, you've done
Many
the
years.
Aspen sample, and now the beautiful Western Gallery.
Blissville.
Yeah, Blissville too. What did you do differently this time?
Navdeep and I just got to know of each other. I have never seen a quicker decision maker than him, by the way. So we just talked for about 20 minutes, and he had made up his mind that he wanted to hire Essentia to do the design. And he was in a hurry, and so were we. So he was like, what are you going to do? And we just started talking. We said, okay, let me put together a lookbook for you. In a week's time, the entire 3D and space plan was done. And believe you me, also signed off. The same day, BOQs were done, signed off. It was, initial days, so we were not like hundreds of people that we are right now. So we were a little more agile, a little more quicker.
Okay.
And he says, good to go, good to go, good to go. What's the handover day? This is all a conversation of 1 or 2 days, right?
Wow.
So it was like, all right, 60 days. This is the look, this is the BOQ. So it was like, this is the RTGS, go play.
That's how I
That's
think
how
he is.
our
no?
relationship started.
Very fast.
With Navdeep. And it was just me and him. So one office done, and then over the years, something else done, another thing else done. And when Aspen was launched, he was like, you have to do the sample apartments, both the 3 and the 4 BHK that we did. And Navdeep was very sure that, he would pick Essentia to do the entire space, from the landscape to the space planning, the spatial analysis, to the sales gallery, and of course, this beautiful apartment that I got to collaborate with all these talented people, the Bobby Mukherjee Associates, and of course, all the inputs from Hafiz. It was such a beautiful journey. It's been so beautiful, Kamalji, it's been beautiful working with him, all the team, the support that we share between Whiteland and Essentia. I think it's an unmatched combination. We're all
What did we do this time about the Western Gallery very differently? Now that you've done this whole
Yes.
list with Whiteland, how is Western Gallery different?
See, this is one of a kind in terms of in the market. India has not so far seen such a mega, thought put into the user's benefit.
Yes.
As a builder, I know what I want to do. As a developer, I know what I want to do. As a designer, but who's thinking about the end client? Now, Western Residences, along with the power of Whiteland, the delivery power of Whiteland, they bring together कि भाई मेरा जो घर खरीदेगा, my end user, उसका क्या भला है? इतनी fast life थी, every time, everybody's rushed and everybody's hustling. When do we slow down? Western Residences just changed the game of the market. Now we're talking about wellness. Tell me, where am I going to meditate and be on my own, and who's taking care of my lifestyle, and how is it easy? How is it going to save my time on a daily basis? Western Residences are a game changer. In terms of the Saaf Hawa, the forestation, the landscape, the features, the facilities, OMG.
Almost more than 10 water bodies
Yeah.
and water systems over there. We have
And all
amenities from
stilt areas
toddlers
is
till the
landscape.
age.
Yeah. I remember Hafiz ji was mentioning that they've never done something like this in this region in India for anybody.
This kind of a condo is very rare.
Yeah,
It's
totally.
very, very rare because the address we have, the kind of location we have, the kind of what we are building, how we are building is marvelous.
I love
Very
how you
different.
guys are so transparent, really. I mean,
That's what I think we are renowned for. That's our global outlook in Indian values.
because as an insider, देखो हमें पता है कि अच्छा surface पे क्या दिख रहा है. Okay, I know wall के पीछे क्या है, छत के ऊपर क्या है, but what you guys are doing is commendable. It's I don't think a lot of people understand that importance.
Lalit, the design sensibilities. I think everything is all about that. End of the day, how do we experience our homes? How do we experience our experience center? Really moves around it. So, what is the design sensibilities that we are looking at?
I must say that because I've earlier mentioned, because that's our Merit International DNA. Because whatever we are designing, every single thing is from cross-checked from them. I must say double-checked from them. I must say that. Plus, if you talk about, as I said, because you have 30 years of kind of a maintenance kind of a tie-up with us as well. So overall, if you talk about the entire Western culture, is all about the beige and the kind of a creamish texture. It's not white. It's not it's not kind of a pinkish. It's more of a subtle. It's more of a everlasting. It's more of a home.
Very
so the main thing is homely feel. That's the main thing.
So that means it goes
The
with any
home.
interiors.
Right?
So,
This, I love this.
Every single
Yeah.
thing is actually a tailored made for you, because it's not like someday else going to
Yeah, it's
any
not a
hotel
Kelowna. It's not a stage
and
space.
say, I don't like it after 2 weeks, then you have to renovate. It's like everlasting. You just
So I
come
like
home,
timeless.
just
Anyone can
feel
design their house the way they like it because of the kind of specification that
Because
we
it's
have done.
very
whatever
neutral,
stone
na?
we are putting, that's actually, we are actually importing it right now, and every single thing we have to commit, we are actually delivering. And this is, I think, you're experiencing the sample and you're experiencing the entire field. It's all panoramic views. It's all airy. It's all spacious. We have natural sunlight coming all the
Oh,
time.
yeah, all the sides.
So
All
that
the
is, I
sides
think,
are
one of the USPs. We're offering
Greater.
powder to storeroom to all the customers.
Yeah.
That is something, and we are actually finishing every single thing as is. That's what I think no one is offering in this ticket size. That's a major kind of a differentiation, I must say, that we are actually stand for.
This is amazing. And I really want to know that, Western Gallery is not just about making a show apartment, right? It is about storytelling, right?
Storytelling
and
or
the Western way of
experience,
life. What are the little things that you've put in, Monica? I really admire it.
Thank
at
you.
every gallery point. So let's just talk about it. What all went at
See,
each and
when-
every touch point?
When you're selling a project to an end client off the plan, you need to be able to give them every detail of the condominium or the project in specific details. So the experience center is not just a meeting and greeting space for, let's say, my channel partners or my end clients or for the team to sell. We're literally not selling. In fact, I want to come back to that point when you said 30 years of, maintaining it.
Post-possession commitment.
Everybody can sell.
Yeah.
Who has the infrastructure to take care of my after sales needs is what makes Whiteland stand out so much. And this experience center is literally a teaser. It's a trailer of what's to come. Now, the project is going to be available to our end clients for fit outs in about 4.5, 5 years' time. Counting down 5 years already. Before we present the actual thing, the Experience Center is giving everybody a very clean, clear, precise, detailed teaser of what's to come. And that's why this Experience Center is very different, and where your marketing, your experiential marketing comes into place also,
Yeah.
The focus from the directors at Whiteland was always keep the customer first.
Yeah.
They gave us veto power to say no to them. So if it's not aligned with the client's, benefit, unke bhale ke liye kuch nahi hai, to please no bol do.
Yeah.
So I think that same brief has been given to everybody. So this experience gallery is different there. In
So I think
terms of all of
what
that.
we are saying about this experience gallery gives a glimpse of the Western way of life.
Totally,
Right?
totally,
So
totally.
every time a customer walks in, what the development is going to be, 5 years down in 2030, this gallery is going to give that glimpse of it. Right?
And not
a
just
touch of it.
not just the interior spaces. We'll walk you through the sprawling gardens. We'll show you a teaser of the landscape. We'll show you how food and beverage is going to be served. So you can literally visualize. Oh, mera future mein mera lifestyle aisa hoga.
We are actually making a prototype and miniature for you, so that you can experience the entire thing.
Yeah. That is what experiential marketing is all about. That's what we really want to indulge people in.
Right from that AV
Right?
room, remember Lalit?
Yes,
This is so beautiful. So you can, so Suneet, you can seriously visualize, okay, I'm going to sit like this with my friends, watch a movie in my new Western residences, but this is a smaller AV room here.
That's
So
what
we've
actually
tried to
kids are
give you all
talking
those.
about,
This is how I'm going to lay a party. This is how I'm going to throw a party in the banquet space. This is that wellness feeling my club is going to give. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a unique combination of mixing what you said, a home, a genuine home which is not artificial and staged, with the feeling and maintenance of a hotel. It's a hybrid of a, जब हम जाते हैं ना holiday पे हमको लगता है ओ ऐसे क्यों नहीं हो सकता हमारा घर, but then घर आते हैं तो घर भी अच्छा लगता है ना.
Yeah.
So this is a unique hybrid between a home and a hotel. Now, I don't know what term we can give it. You are the marketing
People
guru.
say it's a makan, it's like a
hotel,
ghar.
home, ghar,
You know, it's
hotel.
like
I
a
don't
ghar.
know.
And then the famous thing that is really saying that you check in and there's no checkout. You live here for a lifetime.
Yes,
so that is the whole idea that we.
yeah,
So
totally.
that's
I love that.
generational living.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love
It's
that.
generational living, you know. So you have everything passed on.
Wow.
That's true.
Yeah. इसका term भी निकालेंगे, home and hotel का mixture.
Home and
something
hotels,
like
right?
that, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you want that comfort food कि मेरे को दाल चावल खाना है, but you still do want to have that gourmet pasta and you want that
A touch
feeling.
of that, huh?
हाँ, कि
And I
मुझे
think the
कोई-
clubhouse is covering all these cuisines,
Oh,
right? So
everything.
you just name
Endless.
it and
It's
it's
almost 1.7 lakhs, square feet.
Yeah.
That's massive, that's massive.
really amazing. You know, especially the guest suites that we have. Imagine if I have guests across from all these places, I don't have to really make them stay in a
No,
hotel.
not at all.
Either at my own
Every
house.
single thing is here. You name it,
Absolutely,
you have it.
absolutely, absolutely.
Absolutely.
हम ना सबको, this was the main unique point. तुमने apartment लिया है. Now, you have guests only for, let's say, 10 days in a year.
Yeah.
So for those 10 days, I don't want to maybe dedicate another room. I would rather have a larger something or larger closet space and all that. And shadi hai, birthdays hai, everything hai. I know my guests are well taken care of in that. So my house is like an extended part of the, the club.
The ecosystem.
The club,
Yeah,
the
complete.
ecosystem.
It's like an extra battery, the club,
Yeah.
into your own
Absolutely.
every day.
Yeah.
I really love that feature. I think this is unique. A lot of
I
developers
really
don't
like,
do that.
Monica, your interior sensibilities.
Oh,
Now,
thank
tell me
you.
one thing now that you have bought the Western Residences. So, you and Hardesh, I want to really know how you want to do up your house.
सबसे पहले, let
Only
me
one, I think it
clarify.
has to be a jodi,
Yeah, no,
A jodi unit
जोड़ा
में
जोड़ा. I'm
जोड़ा,
famous.
हाँ?
मैं मुझे बचपन से ना हमेशा से मुझे हर चीज दो चाहिए. Okay, thankfully for Hardesh दो नहीं चाहिए. वो that is one. Like literally हमें पता है कि हम कितना एक एक डिटेल में घुस रहे हैं, इंश्योर कर रहे हैं. So it will be silly for at least definitely me not to be able to buy and for my loved ones and my friends and family. And I'm so happy that we got this chance. And of course, दो होने चाहिए, चार होने चाहिए. And this is definitely a good buy
That's a
for
very
sure
nice
for
one.
growing families.
Yes, for
Yeah.
growing families.
It's
That's
definitely.
for
And I
sure.
love the feeling, जब younger families होती हैं ना, India में ना हमें joint families, we like to stay with our parents. We like to stay close to my sister, my brother, my cousins. So this feeling of अच्छा ऊपर नीचे जा रहे हैं, everybody has their physical and mental space, yet they're all together. चलो शाम को cards room में बैठते हैं, चलो नीचे billiards खेल लेते हैं, और वो भी western के lifestyle में.
There is everything. Everything that you name it for your
You
kids.
name it, you have.
Completely
That's the
separates
best
you
part.
from the average, from the ordinary to the extraordinary. ये दिखता नहीं है किसी को. ये हर चीज बताई नहीं जा सकती, बोली नहीं जा सकती. We're all just waiting for the end customer to literally start staying here, because then the amount of endless blessings this project is going to get. The team, all of you at Whiteland, sometimes even Essentia. I'm just waiting for the end users. This thing. Yeah, I'm very excited.
No, it is indeed a project, and we have people from Urban Cube investing into Westin.
Yeah.
We have
Everybody.
people from Aspen getting into a Westin.
Yes,
so
yeah.
Westin is in demand, and thanks to you, buyers like Monica and creators like us, That's what I'm saying. So this is happening.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Monica. Thank you so much, Lalit, for coming over. Amazingly candid conversation. Really enjoyed, and keep looking at Beyond Insights.
Oh, thank
Sure,
you.
for
Thank you.